Thinking about upgrading your handheld gaming setup in 2025? Today we're comparing the Steam Deck OLED, AyaNeo 2S, and AyaNeo Next to help you decide which one deserves your hard-earned cash. We'll dive into their performance, design, and value, and by the end, I'll reveal the ultimate winner. Make sure to watch all the way through. You won't want to miss the ending. Plus, I've included purchase links in the description box for your convenience. Don't forget to like this video. It helps me out more than you know. Let's jump right in. The Steam Deck OLED is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a refinement that elevates Valve's handheld to new heights. Building upon the success of the original, Valve has addressed key shortcomings while introducing significant improvements, resulting in a more polished and enjoyable gaming experience. The most notable enhancement is the integration of an OLED display. This vibrant screen delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks, rich colors, and incredible contrast, making games come alive with a level of detail previously unseen on the original deck. The increased brightness and 90 Hz refresh rate further enhance the visual experience, providing smoother gameplay and a more immersive experience. Under the hood, the new deck boasts a more efficient processor and a larger battery, resulting in significantly improved battery life. Games run smoother and cooler, allowing for extended gaming sessions without the constant worry of running out of power. The addition of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures faster connectivity and smoother wireless experiences. The build quality has also been refined. The new chassis feels more robust and comfortable to hold, while the improved shoulder buttons and trackpads enhance the overall gaming experience. The inclusion of a longer power cable and a more versatile carrying case further enhances the overall package. While it is not without its minor shortcomings, such as the occasional stutter and the lack of true variable refresh rate support, these issues are minor compared to the significant improvements offered by this new model. It represents a significant leap forward for Valve's handheld gaming PC. It's a testament to Valve's commitment to continuous improvement and their dedication to providing gamers with the best possible experience. If you're in the market for a high-performance handheld gaming PC, it's undoubtedly the best option available. The AyaNeo 2S, a titan among handheld gaming PCs, is a device that both thrills and frustrates in equal measure. It's a testament to the rapid advancements in mobile gaming technology, packing immense power into a sleek and ergonomic form factor. Yet, lingering concerns about software and after-sales support cast a shadow over an otherwise exceptional experience. Unboxing the 2S is a luxurious affair. The device itself exudes premium quality, with a robust build and a comfortable ergonomic design that feels exceptional in the hands. The soft-touch plastic provides a luxurious feel, while the carefully considered weight distribution ensures effortless handling during extended gaming sessions. The inclusion of multiple USB-C ports, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone jack enhances its versatility, making it a true powerhouse for connectivity. At the heart of the 2S lies the mighty AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, a beast of a chip that effortlessly tackles demanding games and creative workloads. Coupled with 32 GB of RAM and a blazing fast 2 TB SSD, it delivers a gaming experience that rivals many desktop PCs. The 8.4-inch display is a visual feast, offering vibrant colors, crisp details, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that brings games to life. Whether you're exploring the vibrant world of Elden Ring or engaging in intense firefights in Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, it delivers a truly immersive visual experience. However, the 2S is not without its flaws. The speakers, while serviceable, lack the audio punch and clarity of competitors like the Asus ROG Ally. The 54W performance mode, while promising, often fails to deliver the expected performance boost and can even lead to instability. Additionally, the software, while functional, can feel clunky at times, and the translations within the AYA space interface are often inaccurate. Perhaps the most significant concern revolves around after-sales support. While AyaNeo has made strides in improving customer service, concerns remain regarding potential hardware issues and the logistical challenges associated with international repairs. Despite these minor shortcomings, it remains a compelling option for serious gamers. Its raw power, Exceptional build quality and impressive display make it a force to be reckoned with in the handheld gaming market. The AyaNeo Next is a powerful handheld PC that pushes the boundaries of mobile gaming. While it faces stiff competition from the Steam Deck, its unique strengths offer a compelling alternative for those seeking a premium Windows-based gaming experience. The Next boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold during extended gaming sessions. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy construction and a premium feel. The inclusion of multiple USB-C ports enhances its versatility, allowing for flexible connectivity options. Under the hood, it packs a powerful punch with an AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor, delivering impressive performance across a range of games. The 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD provide ample storage and memory for demanding titles, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. The 7-inch 1280 by 800 display, while not as cutting-edge as some competitors, offers a decent viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. However, the lack of a higher refresh rate and the reflective glass surface can be a minor drawback. While it offers a compelling gaming experience, it's not without its shortcomings. The D-pad can feel a bit stiff for some users, and the software, while functional, can sometimes feel clunky and less polished than the Steam Deck's interface. Additionally, the high price point may deter some potential buyers, especially considering the competitive pricing of the Steam Deck. Furthermore, concerns regarding after-sales support and the potential for hardware issues may give some pause. While AyaNeo has made strides in improving customer service, the prospect of shipping a potentially defective device back to China for repairs may be a significant deterrent for some users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the AyaNeo Next remains a formidable contender in the handheld PC market. It offers a unique blend of power, portability, and versatility, making it an attractive option for gamers seeking a premium Windows-based experience. However, potential buyers should carefully weigh the pros and cons and consider their individual needs and preferences before making a purchase decision. The Steam Deck remains a strong competitor, offering a more affordable entry point and a more polished software experience. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on individual priorities and budget constraints. After comparing the Steam Deck OLED, AyaNeo 2S, and AyaNeo Next, it's clear each device has its strengths. The AyaNeo 2S impresses with raw power and a premium design, while the AyaNeo Next offers a solid Windows-based alternative for portable gaming. However, the overall winner is the Steam Deck OLED. Its stunning OLED display, refined build, improved battery life, and unbeatable value make it the best all-around handheld in 2025. Whether you're gaming casually or diving into AAA titles, it strikes the perfect balance. Don't forget to check the purchase links in the description, like the video if you found this helpful, and let me know your pick in the comments below.